Hello everyone. In this video I'll teach you about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is another product of Microsoft Office software. So as we all know, Microsoft PowerPoint is used to make the presentations file. That is mostly used for showing in front of audience as a presentation. तो जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसके अंदर प्रेजेंटेशंस बनाई जाती है। तो मैं आपको इसकी बेसिक चीज़ों के बारे में इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कंपोनेंट ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट विंडो। तो एज यू कैन सी इन द स्क्रीन, द फर्स्ट लाइन दैट इज हैविंग द नेम प्रेजेंटेशन वन, है ना, प्रेजेंटेशन वन. It is called title bar. What we call title bar, and this area is called quick access toolbar. It is having 4 button: save button, undo and redo button, and presentation button. In the right side of the title bar there are 3 button: minimize, maximize and close button. Minimize, maximize and close button. And the second line of this window, second bar of this window is called tab bar. Here the tab is there: home tab, insert tab, design tab, and transition tabs, animation tabs. So many tabs are there, okay, along with the file button, and the third strip is called a ribbon. On the strip, on the ribbon, there are group of tools for the particular tab. जैसे होम टेब है, होम टेब्स की ग्रुप ऑफ टूल्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन दिस रिबन. तो क्लिपबोर्ड ग्रुप ऑफ टूल्स, स्लाइड ग्रुप ऑफ टूल, फॉन्ट ग्रुप ऑफ टूल, पैराग्राफ ग्रुप ऑफ टूल्स, ड्राइंग ग्रुप ऑफ टूल्स एंड एडिटिंग ग्रुप ऑफ टूल्स. And the fourth part of this window, there are 2 parts in this area. First is the left pane and the right pane. Left pane having the index of the slide, and the right part of this window, it's a main working area. Here we can type or insert the graphics and other content of for the presentation file. And the page of Microsoft PowerPoint is called slide. What we call slide in the rectangular shape. You can see all the slides are in the rectangular shape, or in each slide there is a dotted box. You can see in this dotted box, this dotted box is called placeholder. In the placeholder we can type. हम placeholder के अंदर ही टाइप कर सकते हैं. Outside of the placeholder we can't type. Okay, so these are the 2 pane, left pane and right pane. Left pane always show the index of the slide, and the right pane showing the selected slide that is selected in the left side. लेफ्ट साइड में जो भी मैंने स्लाइड सेलेक्ट की वो राइट पैन में शो हो जाएगी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस विंडो या नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट, दैट इज ruler bar. You can see the ruler bar showing the indentations for particular slide. There are 2 ruler bar: horizontal ruler bar and vertical ruler bar. Okay, we can set the margin for the slide. Okay, where we can start the writing and where we can stop the writing in the right to left and up to down by the ruler bar. Next window component is scroll bar. You can see that this is scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, as well as we have the horizontal scroll bar also. If your slide size is more than screen size, then it will show the horizontal scroll bar. Okay, आपको scroll बार हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला भी दिख जाएगा अगर आपकी स्लाइड की साइज़ स्क्रीन साइज से बड़ी होगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट Next component of the window is status bar. Status bar, you can see status bar always show the zoom button in the right side and view button nearby the zoom button, and in the left side it will show the number of slides that you have almost in the Microsoft file. जैसे आपने 4 स्लाइड ले रखी तो 4 स्लाइड, और अभी अपन कौन सी स्लाइड पे हैं, थर्ड स्लाइड, तो स्लाइड थर्ड ऑफ फोर्थ. So these are the components of MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Now next, how could we save a file in MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint में फाइल सेव कैसे करते हैं? तो just click on File tab and press Save. This is the first way to save. ये आपको ऐसे सेव करना है. Like I am going to save this file with the name of computer PPT. Okay, and I'll save it on desktop. मैंने इस desktop application पे इसको सेव कर दिया. I'll press OK. So this way it will be saved. And how could I close this file? फाइल को क्लोज कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो there is a file tab and you can see in the file tab there is option close button. क्लोज बटन से आप क्लोज कर सकते हैं. क्या कर सकते हैं? क्लोज कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं क्लोज करूँगा फाइल क्लोज हो जाएगी. File closing means its book is open but the chapter is closed. It means the file is closed but software is open. Okay, if you want to open that file again, then File tab and Open, and go to the Browse button and again you select the file. ये प्रेजेंटेशन फाइल जो मैंने डेस्कटॉप पे सेव की थी इसको सेलेक्ट किया और ओपन किया, ये वापस फाइल ओपन हो गई. So this way we can save and close and open a file. Okay, now how could you create a new file? आप नई फाइल कैसे बना सकते हैं? Just click on File tab and press New and Blank Presentation. So this is a blank presentation. Here you can type on the placeholder. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर लिखा. In the other box I also write electronic device. I put the color by the format background. ये कलर डाला मैंने. Okay, this way I can create a new file with the new slide. And if you want to insert more slide, आपको नई slide और डालनी है तो there is a new slide button on the home tab. Home tab के अंदर एक new slide button होता है, उसमें आप क्लिक करेंगे, कोई भी एक layout लेंगे and click on it. It will be insert. Okay, इस file. Now if you want to insert the theme in the slide, then you can take new file first and just go to the design tab, and here you can see there is a theme. These themes are available. You can take themes from here. There is a theme gallery. You can choose one of the theme and you can apply. Like this one I want to apply, so I choose this one. And now if I insert any other slide, new slide डालता हूँ तो it will be display with the same theme in other layout. जैसे जैसे मैंने दूसरी थीम ली वो दूसरी थीम भी इसी स्लाइड इसी लेआउट में आपको दिखेगी, ऐसी थीम डिज़ाइन में आपको दिखेगी. नाउ हाउ कुड यू इंसर्ट इमेज? आप इमेज कैसे डाल सकते हैं? Just click on Insert tab and press Picture button, and there is this device option or online. If you are having net connection, then you can directly insert. otherwise you can choose this device and just click on a particular locations picture that you have in your computer. जैसे मेरे स्क्रीन शॉट ले का है तो मैंने इसको insert किया and I can resize it and I can place it anywhere in the slide. Okay, and how could you add text? As I told you, जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको पहले, you can insert the text in the placeholder. placeholder आप placeholder में ही टेक्स्ट टाइप कर सकते हैं स्लाइड के अंदर. Okay, and how could you again I'll show you. You can add the text in the placeholder. Okay, so this way you can add the text. Now next, how could you view the slide? आप अपनी फाइल बना ली, उसको आप एज ए प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे देखेंगे? How could you view the slide? Okay, so for this there is a button, presentation button on the quick access toolbar. Otherwise you can go through by the slideshow. Here you can click from beginning. यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे तो पूरी स्लाइड को आपको ये मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पे दिखा देगा. एंड यू कैन नेविगेट द स्लाइड through the mouse pointer button या keys. Otherwise you can use mouse by clicking, and you want to come out then just click on escape button. escape button से आपको बाहर आना. That is all about the Microsoft fundamental introductions. I hope you like it, and thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.